Hey guys, welcome back to the Kettle and Cord Kitchen. Today I have a super fun recipe to present to you. We are gonna make a strawberry rhubarb cobbler. I love cobblers because they are simple, they're traditional, they're homey, and they're really versatile. You can use any fruit you want, especially in the spring and summer when everything's in season. Throw in berries, throw in peaches, throw in anything you like. Let's get started. Strawberries are in season now. They're especially beautiful, vibrant, and sweet. I've got these pretty ones with the stem on. You can look for that at any farmer's market. We're using rhubarb, which looks a little bit like celery, but it's much prettier, much tastier. It's tart, it's sweet when cooked, it's delicious. So I'm gonna go straight ahead and take my chopped rhubarb, pour it into this bowl. Look how pretty that color is, and it bakes up so beautifully. I'm taking my strawberries. As you can see, the strawberries are really red. The more the red, the more the sweet. They're just delicious when they're red, so you definitely wanna look for in-season fruit. I'm gonna pour in the rest of my ingredients. I've got vanilla, fresh lemon juice, about half a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, always just a little bit to bring out the sweetness, and cornstarch. And I'm just gonna mix that all together. Perfect. This filling is all mixed. Did you see how simple that was? It's literally just dump it in a bowl, mix it together. I'm gonna put it into this 9-inch pie dish that we're gonna use. Just carefully, easy. Don't get that all over the place. And this is such a beautiful, colorful filling. It's gonna bake up really vibrant and pink and just perfect for the season. So here we have it, our filling in our simple 9-inch glass pie dish. This is a really versatile dish. You can use it for anything. Quiche, a savory pie. I love it for cobbler. I'm going to set this aside while we go ahead and make the buttermilk biscuits. These are super simple to make, really traditional. I've got my flour. I'm gonna toss that in here. A little bit of baking soda, baking powder, sugar, and salt. And I'm just gonna mix that together. Ta-da! And now we're gonna put in a stick of cold butter. I've got it cubed, and this butter is gonna make the biscuits really flaky. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna coat the butter in the flour, and then I'm gonna start mashing it with my hands until I get flakes of butter. So it's gonna start looking really shaggy. I'm gonna keep going like this against my palm. And when that cold butter hits the hot oven, it's gonna puff up, it's gonna release steam, and it's gonna make these biscuits really flaky and delicious. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my buttermilk. You can buy buttermilk or you can make your own, super simple. Just add any acid, vinegar, lemon juice to milk. I like buttermilk so much more than heavy cream. It just creates a lighter, fluffier biscuit. We don't wanna overwork these because we wanna keep them tender. The last thing we're gonna do is scoop these biscuits onto the cobbler. I like using an ice cream scoop, a big one around this size, and I'm just gonna go into this mixture. One in the middle, and then I'm gonna just keep going all around. Now that we've scooped all the biscuits, I'm going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Whew, okay. Just took this cobbler out of the oven. It's hot, it's beautiful, the top gorgeously brown, and I am ready to plate this. Let's serve it with some ice cream. At that. Okay, perfect. You guys, this cobbler looks so good. I am so excited to dig in. It's just perfect for the season. It's so easy to make. It is so good with ice cream on top. I would totally make this to close out a brunch, a barbecue. You can use any filling. I love blackberries with peaches. I love using strawberries and raspberries together. Get creative, have fun. So much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and of course, go forth and cobbler.